Have you tasted mountain chimichurri? The turquoise lakes, mountain ledges and forest floors of Airwald in Austria make prime foraging terrain. Herbs and flowers are dried to create aromatic mountain teas, enjoyed alongside alpine flower honey drizzled over warm, fluffy waffles at breakfast. Yarrow brightens wild herb salads, wild thyme is folded through mountain cheese and thick Austrian pancakes, palatschinken, and woodruff, aka
the mountain vanilla,
and berries brighten desserts. Back out by the turquoise lake at 1,550 metres above sea level, chefs pluck pine and spruce tips to pickle into bright citrusy vinegars, and smoke meats and chanterelle back on the open fire at secluded mountain hide Oruro. Foraging efforts are rewarded with an Austrian lager poured from a tree trunk, and cuddles with the mountain's friendly residents.